person whom we are going to call up on the stage really needs no introduction. She is a debater, she is a poet, and she's an essayist, and she has won a prize in each of these activities. Her poems have even been published by the Sahitya Academy, which is quite an honor. Without further ado, let us call up on stage Candle Vanrempuii, 4th semester English student, to give a speech on behalf of the 2nd and the 4th semesters.
A very good afternoon to Dr. Ton Enga, Principal of Pachhunga University College, faculty members, non-teaching staff, and the graduating students. I stand before you, caught in a beautiful yet frightening and merciless cross-current, a state of happiness, mingling so very closely with sadness, in a state of fear oddly akin to excitement, of oneness being eclipsed by parting, of familiarity slipping through the fingers of new adventures, of history being continually overshadowed by the future and its uncertainties. I stand before you in a state of grief that is but a reflection of a far, far greater hope. A hope in the fullness of our shared past, a hope for the fullness of our present, and a hope for the fruitfulness of your future, and most importantly, a hope in you. A hope placed by the sophomores and the juniors on whose behalf I make this speech in every single one of you. The whole point of attending college is to take, to receive or gain, be it knowledge, a degree, friends, memories. However, the past 3 years, very ironically so, revealed that the class of 2018 has given much more than you have taken. For 3 years straight, Pachhunga University College has won Mizoram University Sports, which is but the outcome of your dedicated participation and leadership. In terms of academics, the performance of their entire college has been at its peak in the past 3 years because of such achievements, mentioned and unmentioned. This class, your batch, will forever be remembered in the history of this great institution as the golden batch of Pachhunga University College. We, your juniors, have not had the honor of meeting and knowing every one of you. I myself have only had the chance to meet a handful, all of whom are nothing short of an inspiration. We're certain that had we the honor of meeting and knowing every one of you and your story, the road you took that led you here, your fears and your dreams, your struggles and your victories, your laughter and your tears, you would be equally inspirational. However, though our paths fail to cross and though we do not know you or your story, believe me when I tell you, we hope the best for you. May you find someone who inspires you, who motivates you, who brings out the best in you. May you find someone who understands you as deeply as you deserve to be understood. Someone who reads you as thoroughly as you deserve to be read. Someone who appreciates you as genuinely as you deserve to be appreciated, and someone who loves you as profoundly as you deserve to be loved. But above all these, we hope that you find that this someone is and has always been you. Our greatest hope for you, therefore, is that in this journey we call life, you have the very rare honor of finding yourself, and we will always take pride in knowing that whoever that person turns out to be, we are one and the same in Pachhunga University College. We part today knowing that every step you take after you leave these gates is one step taken towards re-entering them. We bid you goodbye with the lyric of one of the greatest Mizoram composers, Pachhunga. Isang minsoy kan bang labang, kwari zan ten ko in, dam takin o mangcha, kan in tole mazong zum patyanin aphengang che, dam takin o mangcha.
Thank you, Kendall. What a wonderful